Hello guys and welcome back to long-term targets. Where you need to be right now is you need to have had your MetaTrader 4 or 5 accounts opened. You need to have logged in with your broker's information, and you need to have opened up a demo account and put in a realistic amount of money. You also need to have set up the basic trading template that we did in episode 3. So if you did not do it, I will put the link to the video in the description. You also need to be ready to begin analyzing. So you need to have internet connection. You need to be able to sit down in a quiet place for a couple of minutes. It's going to take about half an hour to get through most of the things, especially if you're still new to the platform. And you're going to have some time to just have a look at the charts and make some opinions and just see how it moves, because we are on Monday at the moment and the charts are moving. So you need to have some time just to watch and just to get the feel of it. Okay, today's goals is we're going to be opening up some charts today, the ones that we're going to be using to trade on most of the time. We're going to be opening up the euro versus the US dollar, pound US dollar South African rand, or US dollar versus whatever your currency is. Okay, we're going to be looking at gold, which is XAUUSD. We're going to be looking at silver, XAGUSD, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. As well, we're also going to be setting up some indicators that are going to help us to understand how the price is moving. And in the next episode, we're going to learn how to use those indicators in order to make our decisions. So let's jump to the charts. Let's get straight into it. Okay, so I'm on my MetaTrader 5 account. What you would need to have done is you need to have this template already saved under your templates. So if you do not know how to do that, or if your chart looks different to mine, go check out episode 3 and it will tell you exactly how to set up a template to look exactly like this. You need to make sure that you have got your candlestick selected. So we're not using a bar chart and we're not using a line graph. We're going to be using candlesticks. Okay, and we want to go to the clock. We want to change our period, so the amount of time that we're seeing, to weekly. Okay, that is where we are going to be starting today. We're going to be adding on some charts as well. So you want to go to View, and you want to click on Market Watch. Okay, from here you can find all of the symbols that you've added. If you do not have the ones that we are needing, you can just click to add. And I say you want to add the Australian dollar, then you'll just type in AUD, and then you'll be able to find all the things that you are looking for. So you can just type in the acronym and you'll be able to find it right there. Some brokers have got different symbols that you can be using. So like some people have platinum, some people won't have platinum. So just check with your broker to see exactly what they have got. But these are the ones that we are mostly going to be using. So if you want to open up a chart, like I want to open up the pound versus the US dollar, I right click and I say chart window. Yeah. And then I also want to open up the US dollar South African rand. So right click and chart window. I need to open up gold, silver, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Okay. So once you have got all of your charts open, so we needed euro US dollar, we needed pound US dollar South African rand, gold, silver, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Yeah, once you've got all of those open, you can just click the little cross button in the corner to close the market watch. So we want to go back to our euro US dollar, which is our template that we have already set up, and we're going to add to this template now quickly. Okay, so we want to click on Insert, Indicators. We want to click on Trend, and we want to click on Moving Average, the one over here. Okay, we want to make sure that this moving average is only going to be shown in the weekly. So if all of the time frames are selected, you just want to unselect and you just want to make sure that just weekly is ticked. Okay, you want to go to the parameters and you want to type in that there is 52 weeks in a year. So you want to type in a parameter for 52. Okay, and you want to make sure that you have selected smoothed. So we're not using simple or exponential or linear weighted, we're just clicking on smoothed. Okay, you want to make sure that the color is white, so that looks the same as mine. You can choose any color if you want to, but to look the same as mine, you would click on white. And then you want to make sure that it is here in the middle. Okay, so the thickness is the middle one. You want to click OK, and then just like that, you have got a line. Okay, we want to change our clock, so our period, we want to change to daily now. We want to replicate that exact same line. So we're going to click Indicator, Trend, Moving Average. And we know that in a week, there is 365 days in a year. So we're going to type in period of 365. We want to make sure that it is on smooth and that is medium-sized line. You want to go to visualization. You want to make sure that you click that it is visualizing on only the daily chart. Yeah, so you want to click OK. And just like that, we have got our line. So this is telling us that if the price is below, that it is going to be decreasing, that the average is decreasing for the year. And if it is above, that means that it is increasing. So it's above average or below average. Okay, from here, you just want to right click. You want to click on templates and you want to save this template. So you have to have already created it. I've made it RTT temp. Okay, so you needed to have created that in video 3. So we just want to click on save templates. Now it is going to save all of this, and I'm just going to save it over this one. Yeah, yes. Now I'm going to go to the rest of my charts. I'm going to right click, I'm going to click on templates, and I'm just going to add it in. So if I go to my daily, then I'm going to have all of my information and everything is going to be there. Okay. So that is all the things that we are wanting to do. Is you're just going to want to go to your thing, you want to right click, you want to say templates, you want to load that templates on all of the charts. So all of the charts are going to have the same templates. Okay. So we're just going to go through that really quick. Bitcoin, templates, and Ethereum. Okay, I would suggest that you guys go have a look at the charts, that you practice changing the time frame. You have a look and you see how the line is helping to support the price and is helping to reject the price if it's pushing the price up or the price down, and just get confidence going through the different pairs and having a look and just making some assumptions. So thinking, okay, this is looking like a good place to buy, or this is looking like a good place to buy or to sell, and just getting more familiar with the platform. In episode 5, we're going to be looking at how to draw trend lines and how to actually do a full analysis of whether it's metal or foreign exchange or a cryptocurrency. We're going to look at how to analyze a chart. Cool. I'll see you in the next episode. You must have a nice day.